Hi friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's writing lesson. Now this week we have been working on our very first how-to piece of writing. And today I want to talk a little bit more about the actual writing, because when we write sentences and when we write words, there are some things we want to remember to make our writing easier to read. And that helps our reader understand, because if they can't read our writing, are they going to be able to follow our how-to book or our how-to work? No. So today I have another how-to that I'm ready. I've done the planning and I did my drawings, and now I'm ready to do the writing. And I'm going to use this to remind you of some things that we need to remember when we're writing our sentences. Okay? So I'm going to show it to you under the camera. All right, friends. So my new how-to piece is called How to Make Cereal. So like I said, I already did the drawings for the steps and I'm ready to get started on the writing. Now, the first step is to get out your ingredients, okay? So I'm going to say first, get out the cereal, milk, a bowl, and a spoon, okay? First, get out the cereal, milk, a bowl, and a spoon. Do you notice anything about my writing here? My writing here is a little hard to read because I forgot to put spaces in between the words. Did you see me use my spacer finger at all? No, you didn't. So let me go back and try to fix that up a little bit. So to fix this up a little bit today, I'm going to just tape a new piece there so I can show you the right way to do this. So I need to remember to use my spacing finger. So I'm going to start with my word again first. And then when I leave a space, do I have any more space to write? No. I'm noticing that these lines are a lot smaller than I'm used to. So that tells me I need to make my writing smaller if I want to fit this in. So let me try to make my letters a little smaller first. Now, look at how much more room I still have. And now I can leave my space. First, get out. See, I fit all three of those words on that line, and I still had room for space. The cereal, the milk, a bowl, and a spoon. Now, my writing is much easier to read because I left room for spaces between all the words and I made my letters smaller so that you can see them. I want you to check out your writing to see if you need to work on this. All right, friends, now we've talked a little bit about our special writing paper, the size of the lines, and how we still need to remember to leave a space. I want you to go back to the piece of how-to writing that you've started and look closely to see if your writing was too big or too smushed together, and maybe you might need to erase or fix it up a little bit. If your writing was already the correct size and you had plenty of space for your words, then you get a little break and you get to start a new piece of how-to writing next week.